Hi guys, it's LT Survival. Well, another Ruike folder review. This one, the Hussard, the P121-B for black. I've not seen any other color, but eventually I think we'll have some color. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Well, the more I have rakes, the better I find them. This one's a flipper only, okay, and you have alleviation cut you can always reach to get the blade. It's not easy because of the swedge on top, but it flips so easily. Not even a need for using thumb stud or nothing else. Makes for a sweet blade. A Persian style, okay, very slight curve up, okay, on the top of the a long swedge right over. It's a high saber grind, not hollow grind. So it's a high saber grind coming up to the swedge here, making the line that goes up really neat. It goes in hand like wow. The bigger hand than I will find no problem holding this knife. The pocket clip is deep carry. Yay! It is real nice. It's could have been like millimeter higher, but that's nitpicking. Unfortunately, they did not use the show side. They did not use a position to reverse the clip. And it's strange, it's not the same screw. You've got 3 screws. I'll show you on the close-up to hold the scale, and then the pocket clip holds the back of the last side. You've got 2 hourglass pillared and 1 pin, which don't show outside of the scale, which is beautiful. So let's do a close-up. Okay, let's focus. Oh, I need lights. Each time I have to move my lights. Okay, let's start with the clip side. The pocket clip again with a 1/4 inch showing. You saw that the liners are all milled out, both sides. I'll show you on this one, and not so much on the other side, okay, because of the liner lock. Okay, liner lock is perfect again, okay, almost midway, so it's not bad. Nice blade shape. I mean, I really dig this shape. Okay, Hussard, like for us it's artillery battalion, a Hussard. So really nice. And as you can see, there's only 1 screw here to hold the scale, and the 2 for the pocket clips. On the other side, 1 here and 1 there. That's it. Very clean, very smooth G10. Okay. The point is nice. It's upswept a little. Okay, the spine is upswept a little, and then you have the effect of Persia, the Persian effect on the saber grind coming up from the straight line coming here. So very narrow. So it is nice, really nice. You've got a serial number again here, and then a model number there with Ruike. I'm trying to find a way of showing it to you. So Ruike Knife. Okay. Here you see the hourglass pillar, the pin. Really nice. Let's go back. This knife fits really well in hand. I mean, it is made to behold. There's no thumb ramp, there's no jimping on the back, but you can position your hand and feel the knife fill your hand. It is really, really, really a really nice knife. There's relief cut all along the edge. Okay, still a bulky body. Okay, if I measure the size of the scale, this one would be 0.62, so a little thicker than the 1/2 inch we have in many of our Ganzos. Yeah, 0.62. Bottom line is 0.64, 0.64, 0.62. Okay, so nice handle, nice shape. I really enjoyed this one, and this one is smooth. Yep, it holds perfectly. It's not too tough, not too light, and it locks up really nice again with ball bearings in there. So really nice Ruike knife. What can I say? I'm in love. Well, maybe not love, but I really dig those Ruike knife. There's fixed blade, there's multi-tool, so I might get some more. I'm not sure yet. Might change tomorrow. So really smooth, really enjoyable knife, easy to flip. It locks firm, so give it a thumbs up. Share and subscribe if you like this video. If you don't, well, too bad. Give it the thumbs up anyway, or the thumbs down, doesn't matter. I'm not monetized anymore, so I really enjoyed those new knife, and you'll see more review because I've got like quite a large collection I haven't touched yet. So you've seen, if you follow my Instagram, you see many of these being photographed. So I'm trying to have as many as possible. It's being late. Yeah, it's getting late. So let's cut this off here. Give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and we'll see you back in the next video.